everyone, I am Nargis Hussain, a student of class 9 from Happy Convent School. Today, we have been fortunate enough by our Honorable Principal Ma'am and our respected economics teacher to present this video to you on the topic diversification of agriculture. So, let us begin.
What is diversification of agriculture? Agriculture diversification refers to either a change in cropping pattern or the farming options like poultry farming, animal husbandry, etc. This practice allows farmers to expand the production, which helps to generate a higher level of income.
Small scale industries are those industries in which manufacturing, providing services, productions are done on a small scale or micro scale. Small scale industries in India are the lifeline of the Indian economy, and they offer several job opportunities for skilled laborers. After all, small scale industries are essential for the economy from a financial and social point of view. Small scale industries can understand the changing requirements of the customers and adapt themselves much quickly. They can change their procedures, methods and techniques faster and cater to new requirements of their customers. Small scale industries require less capital, and they can be started and run by small businessmen who have limited capital resources.
Dairy farming. Dairy farming is a type of agribusiness involved in the production of milk from domestic animals. The plant which processes milk and produces milk products are called dairy plants. Animals which are used for milk production in the dairy farm are called dairy animal. The initial investment in dairy farming business is low in comparison to other industry.
Dairy farming is the only industry where income is guaranteed every month. Dairy industry provides livelihood to millions of homes in villages, ensuring supply of quality milk and milk products to people in both urban and rural areas.
Transport or transportation is the movement of humans, animals and goods from one location to another. In other words, the action of transport is defined as a particular movement of an organism or things from a point A to point B. The transportation network reduces the cost of manufactured goods and lowers the price in the markets. Transport helps to create employment opportunities, and thus it provides employment through helping mobility of workers. Transportation has contributed much to the development of economic, social, political and cultural fields and uplifting their condition. Benefits of diversification. The benefits of employing diversification are as follows. It helps in reducing risk factors as it ensures that the farmers do not lose all of their resources if the weather does not favor the crop production. Since multiple crops can be harvested From a small field, the production increases tenfold, which ensures a substantial amount of income. The agriculture sector is already crowded in India. Therefore, it makes provision for additional employment in rural areas. The boost in rural employment impacts the overall economy of the nation as agriculture in India falls into the primary sector of the country.
So, from this video, we conclude that diversification in agriculture activities proves to be extremely beneficial for small farmers to increase their income. Hope you liked our effort. Thank you.